This is Ian from the award-winning In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you 3 things you need to know about Yahoo Mail vacation responses. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we're going to go to vacation responses by opening up Yahoo Mail in the browser, go to the settings icon, and then select more settings. If you scroll down on the left, you'll see vacation response. So the first thing you need to understand about Yahoo Mail vacation responses are that if you want to create a new one, all you need to do is just edit the old one. So this is the current one. It says, "Hi, I'm unable to respond to your email until I get back from vacation on July 10th. So maybe I'm going to say, I can say I'm going to get back from paternity leave on July 10th or on July 22nd because it's a new year. And then one thing I need to do also is to change the expiry date until, the 20th of July. Is that what I said? 22nd of July. Okay. So once I'm done with that, then I click Save. So I've just updated it, and you can see that it's active. So the second thing you need to understand about Yahoo Mail vacation responses is that there's 2 ways to turn it off. So the first way to do it is just to turn off this toggle right here. So that will basically make the vacation response inactive. Another way to do it, though, is to edit it. So right now you can see that the vacation response is set to expire on the 22nd of July. So maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the expiry date to something that's actually in the past, and then I'll have to change this one as well. But basically what that will do after I save it is it will just make this particular response inactive. Okay? Actually, I can see that this needs to be changed still. So I'm going to change that to the 4th, so that's already passed. And it says the end date is already passed. Okay. And the third thing you need to understand about Yahoo Mail vacation responses is actually there's a special response you can create for certain domains. So let's scroll down here, and you can see there's an option to send a different response to specific domains. So I'm going to click that, and then you have to enter the domain name. So I'm going to say, let's say that all the people from gmail.com will get one type of message compared to everybody else. So for the people from Gmail, I might say, "Hi friends, unable to respond now until I get back." Okay. And then I would click, actually I have to basically activate the expiry date there. So now I have 2. So this is for everybody except for people from Gmail who will get a special response. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. And for more information, check the links in the show notes. Thank you for watching.